The Independent Commission for Infrastructure is urging law enforcement agencies to promptly look into the sudden death of former Public Works and Highways Undersecretary Catalina Cabral. The panel wants government investigators to determine whether or not foul play was involved. The request comes a day after the former Department of Public Works and Highways official allegedly fell from the side of Cannon Road in Benguet. In a statement on Friday, December 19, ICI Executive Director Brian Hosaka says that if authorities determine foul play, it is possible that those responsible may be connected to anomalous infrastructure projects. He notes that Cabral is deemed one of the central figures in the ICI's probe into the massive corruption in public works. Hosaka says there's no doubt Cabral was privy to vital information in the agency. Cabral served as Undersecretary for Planning and Public-Private Partnerships at the DPWH. According to Hosaka, Cabral's belongings such as computers and gadgets, as well as pertinent documents in her possession, should also be subjected to a digital forensics examination. Officials declared Cabral dead at 12:02 a.m. Friday after her body was brought up from the Bued River in Tuba Town, Benguet by first responders. Cabral and her driver Ricardo Munoz Hernandez were en route to La Union Province from Baguio City when a former DPWH official asked that she get off the vehicle and be left alone around 3 p.m. on Thursday, December 18. Hernandez then informed the police that Cabral was missing and looked for her for hours. Her body was later discovered around 8 p.m. about 30 meters from the riverbank. Cabral appeared once in a closed-door hearing of the ICI on September 24. The ICI subpoenaed her again to attend another probe on December 15, but she did not show up. Her colleague in the DPWH, former Undersecretary Roberto Bernardo, tagged her during a Senate hearing. He said that she was the one who came up with the so-called allocable of the DPWH in the National Expenditure Program. On November 14, Bernardo told the Senate that Cabral allegedly reserved a substantial percentage of the allocables for her and former Public Works Secretary Manuel Bonoan's preferred projects and made it appear that 100% of the allocable NEP had been apportioned.